In primetime news this evening, a slap in the face. Outrage among Jamaicans to staggering pay increase politicians gave themselves. OCA worried about hundreds of reports of self-harm among students. And PNP supporters in Western Westmoreland voiced opposition to Ian Hales' bid to represent them in the constituency.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, we have the latest fuel prices, most of which are going up tomorrow. Plus, a shortage of skilled labor are among the problems facing businesses. Those and more in the business day.
All right, and Jermaine Brown is also here for a preview of what's to come in sports. Jermaine?
Well, thank you, Herman. The Reggae Boys, they have a few important assignments to come this year, including the CONCACAF Nations League, and they know their opponents for the next edition. We'll tell you more about that and others a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: how satisfied are you with the job the political directorate is doing? And please give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.